This is Krishna from Digital Contouring, and today we are going to learn how to create shattering effect from Canva. This is one of the most popular effect now I'm seeing and trending effect you can say on Canva, and everybody wants to learn how to create shattering effect from Canva. So that I have came with this tutorial, so where I will guide you how you can create shattering effect from Canva. So let's get started. We are in my Canva desktop app dashboard, and here you can see some of my designs that I have created for the shattering effects. One by one design that I had created for this particular session. So this is my one of the shattering effect design. Another one, and we will I will guide you throughout every single steps where you can get this. This is one of my favorite design I wanted to share here, and I'll guide you how we can create this and get this desired effect from Canva. So this kind of effects you can create from the Canva, and this I liked this shattering effect. Here you can see this kind of styles we'll create. So yeah, for creating this design, we'll take the fresh new page here. I'll just add one more page, and from here I can then zoom in and zoom out for the page. The first step for creating shattering effect, you need to find out the photos, and photos should be something like interesting. So for finding out the photos, you can go here in the photo section, and you can take photos from the Canva library, or you can upload your photos from the other websites. Download it from other website and you can upload in the Canva. And I'm just selecting this, so because we are going to create the shattering effect for this particular photo and this particular design. So one more thing I would like to add here, you can go to effects, and from effects you can remove the background for your design. But right now I'm not removing the background for this particular design. So what I'll do is, here first step is replace background. So it will cover my entire blank page for this particular image. Now once you added your photo, or if you wanted to remove background, you can do that. And now the only one keyword is required for the getting shattering effect here. The element name is splatter. You just need to type splatter in the element section, and you will get this different styles of elements. From here we need to find out best and suitable splattering elements, so that we can get this shattering effects from our particular design. So for this design, I'll select from here. I'll check one of the that I used previously, and it goes with perfectly for this design. I'll select that. So this one, so this particular element I used for my design. And the second thing is, you need to understand here, for creating this shattering effect, we are going to use elements two times. First time we need to make its color to background color, so that we can effect from this particular design. So you need to just select element and make it to the background color. So how we can do that, you just need to go here for the colors, and from here you can take this eyedropper, or just select this here on the eyedropper and select background. So it will change the background color like this, exactly background color. Now you just need to duplicate. For duplicating, the shortcut is Ctrl D. You just place Ctrl D and arrange your elements such a way that it will give the effect of dispersion effect with the background like this. You can add, you can reduce its size, and you can add like this. Just make sure it is giving the desired effect that we wanted. And you just need little bit imagination here for while creating this shattering effect, how you want to shatter your design. You can say the imagination part will required here. Now we have added all the elements with the background colors. In the second stage, we will select different element from the splatter, and we'll add this element here with the photo color. Now we will take another element from like this one, and we will place this element on top of this your photo, and we are giving colors, whatever color used in this photo here. This is the trick for so that we'll get the shattering effect. So, and you just need to place it in the right manner, so you will get these designs. So now we have placed here, and from this eyedropper you can select the colors, or you can get colors from here like this. And now you just need to duplicate it and place according to the colors. And here we have the shoe color as well. For that we will just duplicate it one more time, and from this color, the same procedure for the selecting color, eyedropper, and let me unselect it again, select, and from here I'll get the shoe color like this. Just I need to arrange its size, so I'll get this effect properly. You just need to duplicate, and you can use this procedure and according to your designs, and same procedure for the color, finding colors like this. You just need to play with your creativity here, and you will get your design according to your style. And just imagination matters here while finding this effect. Like this. Now we'll add here one more element like this, and we'll take color from this body. For that again color picker will use like this, and one more we'll add here, reduce its size. From the color picker we'll take this color from here, duplicate. For duplicating you just need to press Ctrl D. Like this you can get your design ready. So let me check. Yes. So now you have the idea how we can create this particular shattering effect design from the canvas. So this is just I wanted to share with you how you can create this effect, and the step that I followed, you just need to follow all the steps. Hope you like this video, and subscribe to my channel, and I will share more tutorials on this channel. Stay tuned. Bye bye.